Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my video. My name is Siti Aisyah with last to the number 013. In this video, we're going to talk about one of the most helpful grammar topics in English, especially for clear and effective writing. That is coordinating conjunctions. We will discuss the definition, how they are used, what parallel structure is, and why it is important when using conjunctions. I will also provide examples, common error, and how to correct them. So, let's begin by looking at what coordinating conjunctions actually are. Definition of coordinating conjunctions. A coordinating conjunction is a word that connects two or more words, phrases, or clauses that have equal grammatical importance in a sentence. These conjunctions help ideas flow more smoothly and make sentences easier to read. The 7 common coordinating conjunctions are known as fanboys. Remember, fanboys: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. So, don't forget, just remember fanboys. Now, I have some examples to show you how coordinating conjunctions work in sentences. Let's begin. Now, look at the sentence. I wanted to go for a walk, but it started raining. This is the correct sentence because the conjunction but connects two independent clauses that are equal in importance. Next, look at the other example. I wanted to go for a walk, but raining. This is incorrect because the second part is not an independent clause. The word raining, it lacks a subject and it doesn't match the grammatical structure of the first clause. Alright, now let's talk about parallel structure. Parallel structure means using the same grammatical form or pattern when connecting elements in a sentence. This makes your writing smoother, clearer, and easier to follow, especially when using conjunction like and, but, and or. Now, I have some examples to show you the correct parallel structure and the incorrect one. Look at this sentence. She likes reading, writing, and drawing. This is the correct sentence because all elements are gerunds pattern is consistent. Now, look at the other sentence. She likes to read, writing, and to draw. This is incorrect because the forms don't match: infinitive, gerund, infinitive. Now, you can see what is the correct version. Alright, next, paired conjunctions. Paired conjunctions must also follow parallel structure because they have two equal elements. For the examples, but with and, either with or, neither with nor, but also with not only, and whether with or. Now, let's look at examples of paired conjunctions. The first of all, but with and. She is both smart and kind. This is the correct sentence because the pattern is match: adjective plus adjective. The second one, either with or. You can either call or text me. This is the correct sentence too because the parallel verb plus verb. The next is neither with nor. He likes neither apples nor oranges. This is the correct sentence too because the parallel is known plus known. Next, fourth, not only with but also. She not only studies hard but also is working part-time. This is incorrect because the patterns are mixed. The word studies is simple present and the word is working is present continuous. And lastly, whether with or. I don't know whether she's coming or staying home. This is incorrect too because this sentence only one side has a subject and it's not balanced. Next, common errors. Now, let's move on to some common errors when using coordinating conjunctions and how to correct them. First, missing grammatical forms. Now, look at this example sentence. She wants to study cooking and to travel. Why it's wrong? Because the forms do not match. Infinitive plus gerund plus infinitive. So, the correct sentence one is she wants to study, cook, and travel. Second, missing commas in the series. Now, look at this sentence. I bought apples, comma, oranges, and bananas. Why is wrong? Because comma is needed for clarity in a list. So, the correct answer is I bought apples, comma, oranges, comma, and bananas. And lastly, connecting clauses that are not equal. Now, look at this sentence. She was tired but completed the assignment. So, what's wrong? Because the second part is not a complete clause. By just read the second part, we don't know who's complete the assignment. So, the correct sentence is she was tired but she completed the assignment. Contextual application. Now, let's look at how coordinating conjunctions appear in real-life context. Alright everyone, that's all explanation from me about coordinating conjunctions. So, to summarize, I have this point for you. First, coordinating conjunctions connect ideas of equal importance. Second, parallel structure keeps sentences balanced and clear. Third, paired conjunctions also require matching patterns. And lastly, always check for equal grammar forms when linking ideas. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps you understand coordinating conjunction better. And I would like to say sorry if I made mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.